circus on Friday, March 10th. You go to the circus. When I was my mommy, we would go to the circus. I love the circus. You go see circus lions can smell like this. You go see circus elephants give us peanuts and silly clowns who can juggling bowling pins and balls. You can be at the circus with me, and you go see circus puppies can jump for the hoop and barking. You can ever like to be at the circus. The circus has come to town. We will go to the big top today. I want to go to the big top on Friday, March 10th, 2023. Yay!